Now people, today we're going SCX10 III versus Element Enduro. You see this one's been stripped down to the bare minimum, including...
Basically a sporty.
Yeah, including even going back to old school 3 gear. Is that the SCX2 or SCX1?
One.
The original?
Yeah.
What, plastic gear?
Nope. Incision gears.
Oh, yep. Alright, I'm going to go that one. Oh, I'm going to slow down a little bit. Oh no. Just put you back up where you were.
That'll stop for a minute. Still got lots of tyre flexion in there.
Yes. That was on the limit.
If this is going to be possible, we'll try that.
Yours is a freaking lightweight compared to mine too. I've still got all my bits and pieces for my chassis in there.
I'll pass road roll already.
I haven't even tried this particular line. It shouldn't be too difficult,
No.
but
Might come across with the dragger.
is that where you came up?
No, I'll come up in lower.
So I thought. Oh, easy as. Now where we have to. Oh! I gotta watch where I'm driving.
Right up. Down around here, there's a nice little notch up here. I'll Run up another reach with this.
Oh, up through here. Oh, come on. 10-3, get it? Yes. Nope. Nope, I'm down. Nope, nope. Might help if I actually... my fingers are getting stuck in the trigger with my fucking gloves.
It's definitely a weird angle the way I'm looking at it.
There we go. Nice. These crawler innovation foams seem to be working great. They work great on the 2-speed, but running soft and soft. Just doing a balancing act there. Well, doing what you've done, changing your transmission and stripping everything off it, you've pretty much made it on par with the Element. Oh! I just had to do a cartwheel. Show off. It's the gymnast in me. I haven't even tried that before. Can you make it? A little bit of run up, yep. Time for Trumpy to do it. Oh, with ease. Oh, other than getting caught. There you go. Nice. Oh, ripping the bloody mountainside apart. Environmentalists will be going off their nut. Ooh. I'm going to remove those big chunks of boulders that you chucked there. Oh, I think this might be a section where your portals helped you.
Send the Don up it.
Sorry?
Send the Don up it. And the Don made this. The Don did it pretty easy.
This particular line?
Yeah. But you can't do this.
There we go. Come on, turn around. Ooh. Back tyre got a bit chewed up. That's it. Oh, geez. One line. Beautiful. Come on. Get some grip under that.
You should try that one. That one's down there.
What one?
That one. Right up that face.
Over here.
Yeah. I reckon those tires will lead it up.
Oh, yes, easy. Oh no, we fell in the hole. Yes. Oh, in a roll. Yeah. And don't get me wrong, you've had to strip yours down and change quite a lot.
Yeah.
Mine's changed a bit too, but those portals seem to help a bit.
Kept them more simple, they'd do better.
Sorry?
Axel kept them simpler, they'd do better.
Yeah. The more basic transmission seems to work a lot better ultimately.
Leave all the other gimmicks as options.
Well, even TRX, they got stripped down back to the sport.
Yeah, at least they offered it. You can just buy a sport. Well, Axel, you've got a modify.
Yeah. Nice and tight up through there. Where are you going? Whoa. Plenty of holes in that there. This gun's going to be a lot of luck, I think. Oh, once you get your lines right, you're pretty much laughing. Alright. No, that was slipped off. There we go. Up, up. Up, up. Yes, that's it. Ah, with these. It looked harder than it was. Oh, look at that. Nice. I think we're both running 50 weight now, aren't we?
Yeah, I'm 40 or 50.
Swap you. Oh, I don't know. There might be a dead end there. And drop off just into it. Yeah, would have looked a bit much for a drop. I mean, I don't like my chances any better, to tell you the truth. Mine's going to do exactly the same thing though. Oh, yep. Oh, look at that. With grace. I love these rocks, man. There's lines everywhere. Every day you come here, there's more lines to bloody try out.
There's one down here. I don't think
Whoa, look at that. Twist that up. Get twisted. I think even though you got portals, you've had to lighten yours up quite substantially, but they're pretty much on par.
Got a
No grace on that one. Oh, and it's just stuck up against the tree branch. Grace has left the building. Yeah, there's a big drop in that rock. Nah, he slipped off. Yeah, look. Come on. Yeah, come on, no, come on. Hold on. Oh, come on. Nah, so close. So close. Now I've gone into that hole. Nah, it's just too jagged on the top there. Nah. Ah. Although saying that, I reckon just over here would be a lot easier. Just over to the side slightly. Like right there. No, I'm just bouncing around. Oh well. I'll have to save that one for another day. Should be able to do that with the conch crawls. But I don't know, I think I'll leave it there, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it today. I know we've had fun.
No breakages.
Yeah, no breakages, which is always a great thing. Alright, see you next time.